Take a ride in the 2021 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, front license plate bracket, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.